if you've got the chair thrower, you all need to think about what's going to be the directive cue that you're going to use. So this child knows now that they still have the power to correct the behavior, all right, if they can stop themselves, but you're in control now. So it means that as soon as they hear something like, Emma, stop, and then you back off. I've had kids who have had the chair in their hand and they put the chair down because they know something's going to happen. If they don't respond and the chair starts going, immediately the action goes into place. The only way you will stop this from happening is if everybody gets on the same page and says, okay, then you immediately take the child to wherever you need to go. Whatever type of protocol is put into place, you act on it.